I just got changed. This is what I'm wearing. So yeah, normally when I just stay at home and do nothing, I'll just change into something comfortable, like what I'm wearing right now. And then I'm gonna go do some work now, I think. But first, coffee. I need coffee. This is my cup of coffee. I will enjoy it while I'm working. Since today is my free day from uni, as in like I don't have any classes or lectures online. So I'm just gonna use this time to read, I guess, or like catch up on some of the lecture materials. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along, and I think in an hour or so my boyfriend is gonna cook lunch and it'll be yummy because it's a HelloFresh one. We're kind of lazy and it's easy for us to just cook with HelloFresh. So yeah, I'll show you guys what he makes later, and then let's start working. You're making prawn and tomato risotto today.
Here it says at the very end, pour water into the vegetable stock, right? But then here it's like heat or drizzle of oil in one of my pan. Are these two different pans?
I think I'm cheap. It smells so good. Looks so good though. Let's try.
I think I kind of undercooked the rice. Can you check if the prawn is cooked?
It's cooked. So I finished lunch and I washed up. I think I'm gonna go out and buy some groceries. So I'm all changed and have my tote bag with me. Let's go. Wow, it's super gloomy today. Look at this weather. It's kind of horrible, but that's kind of UK for you, you know? Anyway, I'm just walking to Marks and Spencer first. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna make for dinner. Probably something with broccoli. But I guess we'll see. That was a super short trip, but I'm done with my groceries, so I'm gonna go home now. I'm just watching some anime. So I'm just gonna do some work on my bed because my boyfriend has a call outside, so I don't want to disturb him, but I really need to work. So yeah. Is it just me, or when you work you just get hungry? I can't wait till dinner. This is literally what I think about when I watch lectures. I just think about food. Maybe it's just me. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat a snack because I'm hungry. This is really good. It's like salty and it's like a rice cracker, but it's really nice.
Hey boy with the pretty face, I'd like to ask you how you doing today. I like your style, I like your taste. I think maybe we go together great. It's not a fact, just a matter of opinion. But my opinion really got me thinking. If I could travel into outer space, I think I'd take you with me for the day.
And just mix it.
Down at the land of blue and green.
Here's the broccoli. Here's my carrot.
It's a trip into the beyond. Can't stop the neon colors now. Oh, yeah, it's a trip into the beyond. Can't stop the neon colors now. No.
So after you've chopped up your carrot, red pepper, and garlic, you don't have to add red pepper if you don't like chili, but we love spice in this household, that is why. There's quite a bit. And also if you don't like using the stem, you can also get rid of that, but we don't like to waste food. So that's why I added in. So I'm going to wait till my rice cooker's timer is 10 minutes and then I'll come back.
Can't stop the neon colors now. Oh, yeah, it's a trip into the beyond. Can't stop the neon colors now. Oh, yeah, you'll trip with me if I trip with you. Together there's nothing that we could not do. Yeah, you'll trip with me if I trip with you. And when we're together, I see colors of you. Colors of you. I see.
Alright, so this is the result of the broccoli stir fry, and I just kind of boiled some lettuce and put some oyster sauce on it. I don't know, this is just how Cantonese people do it and I like it, so yeah. So yeah, we're probably just going to eat and then watch some Netflix and then call it a day.